Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. This is a Reptile light, and I'm going to show you guys how this works and everything. I don't have any current reptiles. This is going to be for a gift, but I'll show you guys how it all works and what it is. So you can see you've got these contraptions here, which are the bulbs, that holds the bulb and everything. And then it comes with the little brackets here. So we'll try to set it up, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So you'll understand it. So this is, you get a user manual as well. So this is the user manual for it. So normally you would hang the reptile light above your reptile aquarium. And so in here we have I guess it connects up into there and into there. So then there we go. So now we have the hook here so it can hang up. And it'll hang like that, and you'll have your light fixture. And it looks like it is a standard bulb. So, like me, I have some colored bulbs over here. I'll just show you guys what it looks like when you put one in there. Like my reptiles, or not mine, but my friend's reptiles. I don't know if they're going to want blue lights, but I'll show you guys what a blue light looks like in here. So here we go. And that's what it looks like with a little blue light in it. I mean, I would imagine you're going to want a heat lamp. But it's got that, and it has the little switch on the side here, so I can turn it off and on. I'll show you guys the switch. The switch is right there. So this is it, and you got a pack of 2 of these. So these are nice little fixtures. So if you needed a fixture for a little heat bulb for your reptiles, this is the way to go for sure. So really cool. I like it. Thumbs up.